We made it to Hong Kong. I'm not entirely sure where we're at. We're right next to a golf course. There's a couple Porsches over there. There were a couple other cars that left earlier. We went to some sort of morning drive and no one really showed up. So now we're here getting some breakfast. And we got a GT3 out over here and we got an old school Carrera right over there. The license plate game is insane here. It's a Subaru on a Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evo 1. Well, we woke up pretty early for a morning drive and no one really showed up. So now we're here and we're at Lulu's. This is kind of like the Mulholland Drive of Hong Kong. But someone said there is a McLaren P1 GTR. So we're gonna go and find it. Got the classic GT3 RS in white. And we got a fake SV with a lift up. Good effort though. Oh, I like the plate. It says peace. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to go in. It's a private event. And we got a Big Boys R8 with a camel wrap. We got a P1 GTR just chilling right over there, but apparently it's a private event, so not allowed to go in. I don't have my polarizer with me. I got this pretty bad glare going on their windshield, but someone's lost a shoe here. But this car club is called SMD for Sunday Morning Drive, double R8. That's a sick one. And the Superleggera. Come on, give me some love. No? Nothing? Okay. Check out the plate on the Maybach. Oh, we got an R8. It says MIAA888. Oh, it's got a Chinese plate too. Oh, baller. Guys, check out this interestingly wrapped Huracan Performante with the Italian flag. Interesting. Oh, what kind of shifting was that, dude? Check out this Maybach with the license plate though. Hold on. Not the guy's face. Oh, a car. See, this guy's got the right idea. Aventador SV Roadster in blue with the black wheels, top down, with trade plates apparently. Now that's a pretty clean spec, 10 out of 10. So for those who are wondering, yes, that is a P1 GTR hiding in the corner over there, but it is left-hand drive. You can't have left-hand drive cars in Hong Kong. And there it goes, the SV Roadster. Come on, give it some love. Oh yeah, got the aero kit on the Huracan. This is from factory. No one ever gets this in America. We got a DMC wing on the... You guys are gonna see how big the wing is. And of course, they're telling me it's a fake 50th anniversary Lamborghini Aventador, but I still say it looks pretty damn good. But yeah, this Huracan is factory, believe it or not. It's called the Aero Pack or the Aero Kit. Nothing. Oh. Okay. Not bad. I got it. Hold on. Oh, there it is. There we go. Security guards are blocking my shot, man. Oh. No. Oh. It's getting loaded up on the truck, guys. It's not allowed to be driven. There we go. 488, 16M. I don't know. That's pretty unique, honestly. I've never seen it. Nice. Got locks. Dude, the license plate game here, pretty impressive. And of course the P1 GTR, all show and no go. So if you're wondering where all the cars were this morning, well, they're here at this unfinished hotel, quote unquote private. Oh, the front lift is up as well. Come on. And we got the 911R that's completely tanked in value. We got an LT. Got a green 16M with the plate Easy Job right over there. Factory color, ladies and gentlemen. The stripe, it's not from factory. Set up car alarms. Nice. GTO. Come on. No? just said it's worth 30 million Hong Kong dollars. So there it is, the $30 million P1 GTR that you can't drive here in Hong Kong. So, dude, this guy has officially won the plate game. Fucking Lambo. Wow. Traffic here. We're currently waiting for some cars, and so far no dice. Oh, hold on. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What is that? Oh. Oh. What is that? I don't know. White body. Oh. I got it. I got it. Check this out. We got the Wire BC. This guy just drove his Zonda F. Swapped it for the BC. Oh goodness, we got a prior design 458 stuck in traffic. Oh wait, hold on, check it out. It's got the, I hate to say it guys, check out the exhaust. What does it look like? We got NRWB Porsche. Not Porsche, Porsche. We got the pink Japanese brand Mitsuoka or something, but it's got pink interior, so that's pretty baller. I like it. Oh, Stradman, she got a Murcielago. There it is, LB640. Ooh, a bit of a chrome blue going on here. Right next to a TT that looks like an R8 with the side blade going on there. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's the second one. Classic NSX. Ooh, police is pissed. So, let's see. Uh-oh, he's getting a ticket. Bus couldn't turn because the car was illegally parked there. Oh man, this one's for all the Porsche enthusiasts who got a roof. There he goes. Oh, he slowed down. Oh, this reminds me of like one of those Japanese parking. Oh yeah, they sound like ghosts. Makes those weird noises to indicate that you're coming up or coming down. It is an M2. Good color. Challenge Stradale for all you Ferrari fans out there. Got a Ferrari FF and a McLaren 12C.
Look at the plate.
Small cat. And then we got a
GT2 RS?
GT2 or GT3?
GT2 looks like.
Ooh, that's actually.
No, it's not. It's a fucking Cayman.
That's not a. That was a Cayman. We thought it. Never mind. We're not even gonna discuss that. That didn't even happen. SOS is nice. A new Performante. Nice. Okay. Oh, on the gold wheels.
This as well.
Oh, they gotta do the stripe delete, the Italian flag stripe delete. It is a Spider. There it is in the flesh. Dude, he's got a model car of his own car on the dash. That is one clean looking car. So yeah, for all those guys who don't know, there is the new Huracan Performante and then there is the Gallardo Performante. Idiots. Ferrari. The play on the Ferrari said, "Love Abby." And here is the new Performante Spider. So, get your shit straight together, guys. Right around the corner, we're gonna be greeted by a Speciale to my right, and to my left, GT3 RS. Nice. Gen 2, and I've got the Speciale. And then, if we go further up, we're gonna be greeted by a white Huracan with a license plate duck, I believe. How do I all know this? Because we just did a loop, and yeah. There it is, look, duck. I've seen more supercars in those underground lots than all of Taipei and Taiwan. Granted, It was raining a little bit, so not a lot of cars were out, but you know, Hong Kong's got a lot of cars.
I mean,
so.
we saw quite a lot though.
We did see quite a bit, yeah. So, I mean, no complaints here. And this guy in the Alphard is not gonna make it, dude. There's no fucking way this guy's gonna fit in here. So I'm just gonna record in case something stupid happens. Ooh, wait, hold on. I might be wrong here. I think he will
make it.
He'll make it, but
it's gonna be a hard one.
Oh man, that's a tough one.
I mean, there's like space in front of there.
Yeah, hold on. Just
he's sticking out the street.
Yeah, and then there's like pedestrians all over the place here. So we're currently here in Soho, across the harbor, and we're here in Hipster Village. I'm dubbing this a hipster bonanza. Dude, this guy.
I mean, I could feed, but I don't want to scratch my wheels.
Yeah, I mean, you just go over the curb, I guess, but this guy, he basically fucked up the parking. Now he has to like readjust.
Boom.
Ooh. Could he have just parked right here?
He can.
So what?
Exactly.
I guess he wanted the prime spot, so to speak. Can you park right here?
Yeah.
Oh, there's like 3 spots right here. What the heck? I don't know, man. Oh, come on. You almost got it, dude. You almost got it. Oh. This guy can't park for shit.
Go further back.
Ooh. We're good now, okay. It's currently nighttime here in Hong Kong. We're gonna roll the window down and we got red wheels on the Huracan. Yikes.